Hello everyone. Welcome to the Data Science Learning Tutorials. I am Hira. In this tutorial, I will guide you what is data science. We hear a lot about how artificial intelligence and machine learning are going to change the world and how the Internet of Things means IoT will make everyone's life easier. But what's the one thing that underpins all of these revolutionary technologies? The answer is data. The word is data. From social media to the IoT devices for generating immeasurable amount of data. Consider the cab services provider Uber. I am sure all of you have used Uber. What do you think? You think Max, Uber a multi-billion dollar worth company. What makes Uber so rich? Is it that availability of cabs or it is their services? Well, the answer is data. Data makes them very rich. But wait, is that enough to grow a business? Is data is enough to grow a business? Of course not. It is not. You must know how to use the data to draw useful insights and solve problems. This is where data science comes. In simple words, we can say data science is the process of using data to find solutions to predict outcomes for a problem statements. To better understand data science, let's see how it affects our day-to-day activities. It is a Monday morning and I have to get to office before my meeting starts, so I quickly open up Uber and look for cabs. But there's something unusual. The gap reads a comparatively higher at this hour of the day. Well, obviously because Monday morning are peak hours and everyone is rushing off to work. The high demand for cabs leads to increase in the cab fares. We all know that, but how is all of this implemented? Data science is the heart of Uber pricing algorithm. The search pricing algorithm ensures that their passengers always get a ride when they need one, even if comes at the cost of inflated prices. Uber implements data science to find out which neighborhood will be the busiest, so that it can activate search pricing to get more drivers on the road. In this manner, over maximized the number of rides it can provide and hence benefit from this Uber search pricing algorithm uses data science. Let's see how a data science process always begin with understanding the business requirements or the problem you are trying to solve. In this case, the step number 1 is business requirements. The business requirement is to build a dynamic pricing model that takes effects when a lot of people in the same area are requesting ride at the same time. The second step is data collection. Data collection, Uber collect data such as the weather, historical data, holidays time, traffic, pickup, drop location and it keeps a track of all of this. The step number 3 is data cleaning. The next stage is data cleaning. While sometime unnecessary data is collected, such data only increases the complexity of the problem. An example is Uber might collect information like the location of restaurants and cafes nearby. Now, such data is not needed to analyze Uber search pricing. Therefore, such data has to be removed at this step. Data planning is followed by data exploration and analysis. So, step number 4, the data exploration stage is like the brainstorming of data analysis. The word is brainstorming. This is where you understand the pattern in your data. Now, the step number 5 is data modeling. This is followed by data modeling. The data modeling stage basically includes building a machine learning model that predict the Uber search at a given point and location. The model is built by using all the insights and trends collected in the exploration stage. The model is trained by feeding it thousands of customer records so that it can learn to predict the outcome more precisely. Well, the step number 6 is validation. Next is the data validation stage. Now, here the model is tested. When a new customer books arrive, the data of new booking is compared with the historic data in order to check if there are any anomalies in the search price or if there are any false prediction. If any such anomalies are detected, so a notification is immediately sent to the data scientist at Uber who fix the issues. This is how Uber predict the search pricing for a given location and time. Well, the final stage of data science is deployment and optimization. So after testing the model and improving its efficiency, it's deployed on all the users. At this stage, customer feedback is received, and if there are any issue, they are fixed here. So that was the entire data process. The first one is business requirement, data collection, then cleaning the data, then data exploration and analysis. As I discussed so far, this is the step of brainstorming. Then after this, data modeling, and then data validation testing. Then after data validation, last step is data deployment and optimization. Well, thank you.